side wind. It's full of something.
In a quarter of a mile, turn left onto Rishworth Road.
And what it's done, instead of us going down that road with the motorway blocked, it's given us the next road. So we're going onto that road there. Yep, so signal left.
Turn left onto Rishworth Road.
Now slow yourself down, go straight down that road where it says 30. That's fine. Follow the road ahead.
Continue on Rishworth Road for half a mile.
Now travel at a speed that's safe for where you are. Just in case a tractor or lorry pulls out, you need to have a contingency plan. Now we can see that horse and we can see the woman there. The woman is the guide, she's helping the horse rider. So nice and gentle, once we approach, remember less than 10 miles an hour. Move a bit more to the right, go wide when you go around them. But be aware of the white car ahead of you. So a bit more to the left, a bit more to my side. There, this speed is good, no faster than this. And once you see in the rear view mirror, then you'd come to the left. Now look in the rear view mirror, now come to our side. And now travel at a safe speed. That's right, well done.
In 300 yards, turn left.
All the aunties having a meeting.
Turn left onto Stainland Road, then slight left onto Elland Road.
Here?
Yeah, this is the end of the road, yeah. Now slow yourself down and stop. Because it's a closed junction, you need to look both ways before you go. So be careful as you turn. That's fine. So he's clever, that man. He didn't take that turn, he took a wider turn. So he's probably using Google Maps.
Slight left onto Elland Road, B6113.
You need a signal.
Left.
Yeah. Look in your right door, but you can see it there as well. Move forward along, you'll see. If you're positioned a bit more to the left, you'd see even better.
Continue on B6113 for 3/4 of a mile.
And the reason why it's taking you this way, you know, on the M62, there's a lorry's caught fire. Now, when you're driving a heavy car down a hill like this, some cars, you know, like heavier cars than this, they have a button that shows a lorry, so it shows a van, and it shows a hill. And what it's called hill descent, and it helps the car control its speed going downhill. If you have an automatic with gear 1 and 2, you put it in gear 2. And that helps it stay in a lower gear so you're in control of the car. This car's electric, so it's not a problem.
In 300 yards, turn left onto Rochdale Road, A58.
No, no, no.
Now we're going to wait here, and we're going to let that Jeep come out of here. That car should have waited, so you can flash him if you like. Yeah, make sure she can see you flash. That's it. Do it again. That's it, yeah. And they know that you're letting them through now. Let's move forward. There's enough space for you to park there now.
Left onto Rochdale Road, A58, then slide left onto Oldham Road.
I mean, look at that lorry. It's going to get even worse. But remember to signal to let people know which way you're headed. Imagine him coming up that hill. He's not going to get up that hill that we just come from. He's not going to get up it. Go on, take the opportunity. Go on, whip it, go on. Full look left.
Slide left onto Oldham Road, A672.
You're doing okay, you're doing alright.
Continue for 5 miles.
Even if you got it wrong, we'll find a way of coming back. You're doing well, we've never been here before. So like you, we're kind of experiencing the area. Must be interesting living here in snow. You see how the lorry's waiting over there because there's not enough space. And he's doing that because if you look behind, there's a bigger lorry behind you. And he's waiting for the lorry. Slow yourself down, a bit more to right. Have a reduced speed as you're going through. Like that, that's good. So if something is gonna go wrong, you'll fix it before it really goes wrong. If you're going really fast, you won't end up fixing it, you'll just end up having a bump. That's it. There's nothing wrong in what you're doing because you're giving yourself more chance, more time to fix anything that could go wrong. So it's like you have the perception you're on a 5 at the moment. But if you go any faster, you'll end up on a 3, on a 2, and that you wouldn't pass your theory, so you wouldn't pass your driving test with.